Ever wonder what's really happening when you crack your knuckles? When you crack your knuckles, you're stretching the space between your joints. Inside your joints, there's a fluid called synovial fluid, which keeps them moving smoothly. When you stretch, tiny gas bubbles in the fluid pop, making that cracking sound. Good news, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. But if you do it too much, it could weaken your grip or irritate your joints over time. So, while cracking your knuckles can be harmless, it's wise to do it in moderation for joint health.